The in-house production of pouches from standard reels categorically affords maximum flexibility, but the labor cost is considerable. Plus, the user needs a lot of experience to consistently trim the pouch to match the packaged instrument or set. The wrong pouch size can also increase the process costs. For maximum flexibility, economy, and efficiency, Hawo has developed a fully automatic pouch-making machine, the HM 8000 Seal Cut. The machine is child's play to use. Place the reels on the roll holders. Adjust the optional sorting chutes. The Seal Cut machine is easy to operate via an intuitive control panel. Select the desired bag length and quantity. Start the process. The Seal Cut fully automatically produces the desired quantity of pouches, so you can concentrate on other work. Optionally, the operation can be carried out via a scanner. Customized lists can be created thanks to the innovative intelligent scan technology from Hawo. Using these lists, for example, staff names or instrument sizes can be scanned in. Even whole formulas can be turned into barcodes. Through just a scan, the machine then knows the number of pouches to produce, at which lengths, and at what temperatures. Up to 6 reels can be processed simultaneously. The machine can also be used to produce gusseted pouches. The temperature can be adjusted at any time through the scanner. This also makes the production of Tyvek pouches possible. Thanks to the innovative Sizematic technology, pouches that are too long or too short are a thing of the past. The optional scanner reads the length of the instrument, followed by the desired number of pouches. Sizematic calculates the optimal pouch length automatically. Normative required safety distances are taken into consideration. In seal-only mode, the machine can also be used as a normal sealing device. The pouches are sealed at the 4th side in seal-only mode. An optional attachable printer automatically prints a label for each pouch. Information such as date of manufacture, date of expiry, batch number, name of the packager, and the name of the medical device to be sealed can be printed on the label. Up to 5,000 pouches per hour can be produced in production mode. The pouches will be sorted and dispensed by size and can easily be removed, processed further, and labeled. The HM 8000 ASV model meets the requirements of the International Packaging Standard ISO 11607 Part 2. According to that standard, the device must monitor the critical process parameters of sealing temperature, contact pressure, and sealing time. In the event of a parameter deviation, the user must be alarmed and the process interrupted. The seal seam can also be routinely tested with a seal check indicator. By scanning the barcode on the seal check, the device automatically switches to the seal check mode. After the seal check is carried out, the critical parameters appear on the display of the machine. For maximum flexibility, economy, and efficiency, Hawo has developed a fully automatic pouch-making machine, the HM 8000 Seal Cut.